Hey friends, my name is GUPTA. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about 10 most important IT technical support engineer interview questions and answers. Everyone prepare for the interview. Either you are a fresher or you are experienced. But we always prepared for an interview and we want to know what are the top 10 most important questions and answers for IT technical support engineer. Because interview was asked question and we have to give them satisfactory answer. So today in this video I'm going to tell you about top 10 interview questions and answers. So first question, what is web server? A web server is a computer program that serves requested HTML pages or files. In this case, a web browser acts as the client. Second question, what is file server? A file server is a computer responsible for the central storage and management of data files so that other computers on the same network can access them. Third question, what is mail server? A mail server is an application that receives incoming emails from local users, people within the same domain, and remote senders, and forwards outgoing emails for delivery. Fourth question, what is server? A server is a computer that provides data to other computers. It may serve data to systems on a local area network or a wide area network over the internet. Fifth question, what is Exchange server and evolution? Microsoft Exchange is an email, calendaring and addresses book system that runs on a centralized Windows server system. Exchange 4.0, 5.0, 5.0 and 2000, 2003, 2007, 2010, 2013 and the current is 2016. Sixth question, what is domain? Domain is a set of computers which network recognized by the internet. It can be used by centrally administered computers. It is created when you install Active Directory. What is the operating system? Operating system acts as an interpreter between computer application and hardware. It works as an user interface. Question A. What are the types of operating system? Two types of operating system, network operating system and simple operating system. In network operating system, Windows Network 2000, 2003 and in simple operating system, the example is Windows 95 and 98. Question 9. What is organizational unit? OU means for organization unit. It is a container within Active Directory which can hold users, groups and computers. It is the smallest unit on which administrator can assign group policy settings. Question 10. What is bootloader? Bootloader facilitates the loading of operating system on the system. It enables the booting process and gives OS option to the users while starting the system. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video will helpful for your interview preparation. Please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please like it. Thank you.